Hi friends, today we are going to make some face masks because face masks nowadays are not available anywhere and we have to survive, and in order to survive we have to make some. So because we cannot go out too much, so we have tried to find out as much materials in home as possible, and we have come up with certain materials wanted to share with you. This is part of a fabric made of cotton. It's called falls, and this is actually used in a sari, and I'll show you. They come in pieces like this. So what we did is we made them in little pieces which are approximately about 10 inches long, and the width of this is approximately 4.5 inches. So we took two of them and we sewed them here. Just to remind you, we don't have a sewing machine at home because we don't need one. So we did it using the regular needle and the thread. This is going to be the front side of the mask, and the back side of the mask is going to be given by we have a piece of long white cloth, and in between these two layers we are going to put some felt. So we found out that felt is something like which is a little bit thick, and the fibers in felt are pretty strongly knit together or woven together, so it can catch a lot of the germs that go inside through it, and it is breathable. It's not that it's going to choke you. And the nose part, we have found out we are going to use some pipe cleaners. We work in the healthcare industry, and in the healthcare industry right now there is a acute shortage of masks. So both me and my wife, we work there. Hopefully we are going to come up with some successful masks. Keep watching. So this is the final product of this mask. Hopefully it's going to protect me from coronavirus, and we'll all survive.